Welcome to our YouTube video on the Netflix's changing password sharing rules. In recent years, Netflix's dwindling prices have made its content accessible to more people. But with the increased competition in the streaming industry, the company is starting to crack down on account password sharing. Netflix's popular 2017 tweet of love is sharing a password seems to have been a mistake, as the company no longer allows family and friends to access content using shared accounts. Only those who live in the same household as the account holder should use the same account for streaming Netflix. But even if you don't share your password, there's still a chance someone is using your account without your permission. To make sure no unauthorized individuals are binging on your profile, you'll have to keep checking the Manage Access and Devices tab. Here you'll find a list of the most recent devices accessing your Netflix account. The biggest offenders of account sharing are those in group living arrangements, like college dorms or apartment complexes. Sharing passwords here is common, and Netflix's new guidelines mean that criminal penalties may be imposed against repeat offenders. But why are Netflix cracking down on password sharing? Netflix's number one priority is to protect their content and maintain their value as a popular streaming service. Furthermore, with many people returning to their pre-pandemic viewing habits, Netflix needs to remain attractive and beneficial to subscribers, a tough task if individuals have access to premium content without paying for it. Now, while Netflix is a great value proposition, it doesn't come cheap. In the US, a basic subscription will cost you $6.99 per month and can increase up to $13.99 for their premium plans. As such, if you are not alone in your dream of binge-watching Stranger Things and Saving Private Ryan, it may be time to get serious about account security. To sum it up, if Netflix finds out that you are sharing your account, then they may charge you an additional fee depending on where you're located. Additionally, it's essential to check whether anyone is accessing your account without your authorization. Netflix provides a way to check the devices that are using your account through the Manage Access and Devices tab. The streaming giant's new rule aims to preserve the value of their content and remain an attractive option for those looking to access their premium content. Remember to check who is accessing your Netflix account, as there may be someone surprising on the list.